All right, here's my market recap for December 11th, 2023. And it's rollover week. Means you get a lot of this bracketing algo crap that goes on. Makes it pretty tough to read. There were some trades in here in hindsight looking at it, but good luck finding it in real time. I sure couldn't. But, here's some stuff on the higher time frame. In that previous video, I was saying, it is kind of looking like this can go further up. See a flag pattern here. And you kind of see it here and here. And here's a smaller one, little pullback and continuation potentially. I always say that because I don't know. So I'm going to try to make this kind of quick because I need to go to sleep. So it's getting late. Got to wake up early. Uh, Basically the whole thing is kind of like a flag pattern. That is kind of a steep pullback. If I went from 630, where do I see flag patterns? Oh, here's one. You can kind of see little flag patterns here and there. That could have been some kind of news related event. It's at 10. Sometimes you'll get stuff like that. Check if it was. Oh yeah. Yeah, I had the 10-year bonds. Bring this page over. Yep, 10-year bonds today were at 10 a.m. Pacific. That can throw things off a little bit. You got this little reaction. It's not much of a move, but start to have a sharper move. It's a little bit of a flag. It's not anything usable, really. So this was just pretty damn difficult for me to read. Try to make anything of it at all today. A lot of back and forth. I mean, even this morning, Bruce was looking at it, and I mean, look at this. What is the order flow telling us? It's not telling much. Oh, that's ESZ. Go to ESH. Not much better. That one little flag pattern, is that giving me anything to work with? Not really. I mean, this is not a very definitive move here. We don't have much liquidity or order flow to go with. You've got this algo bracketing. 69 to 3. That's not much of anything. I wouldn't want to throw money at that. Oh, what else? I mean, this does not give me hardly anything with order flow to look at. See a little strong move there. 100% pullback here for that one. And what can you look at right near the close? You can start to see a little bit of potential, but 73 to 78, 5 points right at the end in the last 10 minutes. Uh, yeah, I mean, what do I make of that? it was just pretty much watching streams today, and I didn't have anything in ES to work on. I don't have much of a video to make here. You see all this algo bracketing. I couldn't make anything of this. And you don't have the point of control moving at all either. So it's like, this is not doing anything. Well, look at these economic events tomorrow. 30-year bond auction at 10 a.m. Pacific, and then CPI 5:30 a.m. So yeah, I guess that's about it. I'm trying to come up with some kind of content for Bookmap Academy here. With what I'm looking for, I'm working on a flag pattern. I don't really see anything here usable. It's just one of those days where it's like, what am I going to do with any of this? I don't see. Only thing I see is, oh, well, look, it retested the point of control and went higher, but where's the liquidity? There's nothing until here or here. So this is just an example of I can't make anything out of it whatsoever. Where am I supposed to get in on this? Oh, I suppose could be looking for something here, outside of the range. Tested back inside where its high volume node was, and then up to here. No way I would have seen that in real time. So today I kind of just have to toss this one out as, it's nothing I can do anything with. And it's a trending day, but you look at this order flow, what is this telling me? It's all right up against here. It's just all algos all day long. You've got no other resting orders. I can't ascertain anything from any of this. So, yeah, I guess that's about it. I need to go to sleep. I'm going to end this video and post it, and I'm doing my best to try to come up with something for today, but it's just one of those days. This one just does not. I mean, I'm trying to work on one setup, just the flag pattern for now. I mean, even, I guess you could say, look at this, just tested this previous point of control and rejected that price. And this one never made it there, but I got within, I drew a box here. I was kind of looking at these yesterday. So here's a box. Goes into the box, doesn't want to go lower than the box. It bounces up above the box, and all this stuff, VWAP mid, VPOC, and right here, and it's testing the middle of that, where this is. And doesn't want to go down there, so doesn't want to go down below that. Didn't want to go down below that. Well, then you have up. Retest this. What happens here? You got a little congestion going on right here, and then broke that high, and then this This is just some garbage right here. And what is that? What's the range here for this whole block? 71 to 76 until right before the very end. Got to 79. So you're within a 76. You're within a 5-6 point range at best. What was the bulk of it here? 72.25 to. So for the bulk of this, the last almost 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours, barely have any range to work with. It's just a rollover day. There's not much I can really add to that. I don't have a setup for this chirp. I've seen other people post in the Bookmap Academy page and other places in the Discord. They have setups for this situation apparently, and I don't. Well, anyway, I'm gonna end this video. I gotta go to bed. Good night.